Well, a year ago, I did a video updating the progress on the house, so I was just gonna do that again. I guess the first thing outside here is that we got dirt on the roof now, and it's already starting to grow a little bit of green up there. Our plan was to put about 18 to 20 inches on top. We ended up doing a little bit less than that, but I think it'll still offer us some good insulation and kind of hide us down here. Other than that, not too much has happened out here. I think this summer we'll plan on doing all the landscaping and stuff in this area. And the shop is, nothing's really progressed there. I'm just still using it as a work area. But hopefully I'll get at least some of the shop done this summer. And this entryway, I want to do the stairs to the front door here pretty soon, actually. So yeah, this is still just work and storage of materials. Okay, coming in the house. Can't remember exactly what's changed in the past year, but still have to put barn doors here over the washer and dryer area, but I do have that set up. The hardware's there. Just need to make the doors. I finished this now, this kind of area, our bench. This is that Siberian elm that we got. Made that bench from that. And let's see, good TV areas right here when you come in. I'm actually working in this area right now. I cleaned up a little bit here yesterday, but this will be where our big bookcase is, and a utility closet right back there. Getting ready to do all that. Still storing some wood for ceilings in the bedroom out here. But the bar is completely done now. I've finished all the trim work and all of that is complete. I'm trying to think of the differences from last year. Can't remember where we were at. I think this was in last year. We still haven't quite finished that painting and everything. The kitchen, like I said, is completely done now. Other than sealing the floor, we haven't done that yet, but everything else is completely done. Yeah, I don't even think I'd made this last year. We have these shelves over the top of the back counters now, and the microwave is up, and stone on this these cupboards back here. All that stuff is done now. So it at least lets me know we've gotten something done in the last year. Living room, I think, was mostly done already last year, if I remember right. Although, except I guess this bar area. So I've got that bar again. That's that elm I did that with. And then I did this map, which was a bit time consuming, but it's done now. And it turned out, I think, pretty good. And then did this little wine rack. Outside is still just a fire pit. Of course, I guess now we have the hot tub out here as well. I will eventually do a deck out there, but haven't done it yet. What else? I think this is all pretty similar to what it was last year. I'm not gonna, Emma's room is not changed. She had prom last night, so I think she's in there resting up. Her bathroom, I don't think has changed. I think we had that pretty much done last year. So that's mostly what we've gotten done. The guest bedroom is all is further along, I guess. It's all the sheetrock's done, and I put in some closets, but there's certainly still work to do in here. Still have to do the ceiling and painting and doors on the closets. The master's definitely not done. I'm not sure if anything's really changed from last year. I did grind the cement in this room, make it smoother. I like the way that turned out, but we're still doing a lot of storage in here still. There's the closet. Again, I think that's not really changed from last year. Same thing with the master bath. I'm kind of leaving it till the end. I'm trying to finish all the places out where we entertain and stuff. So, I'm sure I missed some things, but you know, progress has been made, but still plenty of work to do. And I guess that's it for this update. Just a little addendum here to the video. I did forget a couple things I wanted to mention. So one is that the ceiling now is completely done up here. So this is all done in oak, where we've, you know, kind of randomly stained some of it. I think that really turned out well. And I think we had started that last year, but not finished it. And just a couple other things back here. All this flooring is done now, and I don't think it was last year. So basically, the kitchen and dining area is all done in the reclaimed barnwood. The living room is the reclaimed boards we got from Superior Hardwoods. These are the granary boards that they sell. The kind of entryway and TV room here, this is all hickory that we got from them as well. And I like that. It seems very durable. And then finally, everything back here, this is actually the same oak that we did the ceiling in the kitchen with, but it's just this is what it's actually for, right? It's flooring. But yeah, I just remembered that that hadn't been done last year either. So all the flooring is officially done now. So anyway, that's it.